Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is Engine News with the latest updates from the Angular community in 100 seconds every week. TypeScript Origins is a documentary on the early days of TypeScript and is available on YouTube. It is a collection of interviews with different peoples who played or are still playing a key role. The relation to Angular is very close. According to Igor Minar, TypeScript got a big boost because Angular 2 enforced it, and
it also meant that Angular alienated part of the community. They didn't want TypeScript. They wanted JavaScript because that was the only real language that gave a boost to React.
Dmytro Mezhenskyi, also known as Decoded Frontend, published a video on reusable forms, or how we can split out a form and distribute it to multiple components. Highlights were his explanation of the host decorator, the component's viewProviders property, and what impact they have once enabled. These are features we use less often as application developers. 2 weeks ago, Bun, an alternative to Node.js, was released in version 1. I mentioned that Angular still has to support it officially, but you can already try it out unofficially. Brandon Roberts created a short video introducing Bun, showing its main features, and created a small demo app with Analog. Analog is a meta framework for Angular. Signals are more than just a big topic in Angular. More and more frameworks are implementing them or have plans to do that. One of those upcomers is Svelte. In version 5, Svelte will introduce their signals version, which they call runes. And that's it. Wishing you a nice weekend. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.